Well, here's the piece. So it comes with some instructions, nut and bolt. Nice clean piece, nice weld, and they are clean. See up there, the clamps. Instructions. Clamp goes on that side. And I guess these are cheaper bolts on that one. Take the stock one out. Give you some instructions, some clear instructions, and colorful. Cut 1.25 inches. It's right there. Okay. Here you go, guys. So I did some marking. It's 1.25 inches, the way it says on instructions. So I did some right out here. So now it's gonna be time to cut it. It's 1.25 inches mark right there. Then I'm gonna take these one and unscrew from there. Loosen that one up, and then good to go. So hopefully this all goes good. There's the two nuts on that one and the clamp. Then you gotta take this piece out. These hinges, one hinge out there. So you gotta take those two, one out there, red one, and one on that side. There's a two. So I'm gonna cut the video right now here and take that apart and see how it goes. Here you go, guys. You can see I took the other one out, and there's a huge difference between that one and this B2B fabrication piece. So now time to install it. Put the stuff back on and see how the sound. Then I'll put some before and after videos on that one too. It got installed, and here's the start video after the install. It's pretty loud. Now you can hear the V8 ramble on that one. Okay. Ollie, there you go. One more, slowly. Yeah, that's a nice rumble out there. One more, slowly. It's an end cab sound. This is the sound with the window down, and you can hear it. I'm loving the sound. It's really good. Here's the windows up. It's a little loud if you don't like it, but it's really, I love the sound. I kind of like the loud sound, so this is good, really good. I'm gonna hit the street out here and see if it's